We all like to work with our essentials by our side, whether it be a tool belt, tool bag, sustainer, or your pocket. Having the things we need most often to hand keeps us organised and productive. Make sure you add the Festool app to your must-have essentials. The Festool app is the quickest and easiest way to register your tools to ensure they are covered by the best warranty package in the power tool industry. Warranty all-inclusive. 3 years free of charge service and repairs, 3 years theft protection cover, and a 10-year spare parts guarantee. Once you have downloaded the app, simply create or log into your MyFestool account. Press the green plus button on the opening screen, then press register and scan the QR code on your registration card. That simply, your tool is covered. The connect option allows connection to tools and batteries you may share with business partners and associates. However, there is so much more that the Festool app has to offer. Let's take a closer look. The app allows you to update tools and batteries to the latest software versions, avoiding the need to send the tool back to us, incurring costly downtime. Updates ensure your tools and batteries perform to their maximum potential. Simply connect to the Bluetooth-enabled tool or battery and a blue pop-up menu will appear. Scroll down to check for and upload updates. Set up notifications by pressing the MyFestool icon and the Power Tool Notifications menu so you will never miss the latest updates. Also, in this menu, you can set your tool home with the green location button. Do this each time you start work in a new location and the app will then notify you if you ever leave Bluetooth-enabled tools or batteries behind. In this menu, notifications can be turned on to alert you of potential overloads to your tools and batteries. Return to the home screen by pressing the Power Tool icon. Here, all your registered and connected tools and batteries can be seen by selecting the heading on the top menu bar. When you click on the tool or battery, you will find handy tutorial videos, a list of suitable accessories available, and tool warranty details. The tools with Bluetooth connectivity are identified by the Bluetooth symbol. Clicking on these tools will show all the same information, but also have a blue pop-up menu for the Bluetooth functions and updates. Press the Connect Now button and follow the instructions if the tool is not already connected. In the Tool Details section, the Request a Repair button allows you to arrange repair and service of your tools at the click of a button. Enter the address where you would like us to collect the tool from or select a drop-off point if more suitable. Press Send once you have completed the repair form and we take care of the rest for you. And we aim to collect, repair and return your tool in 5 to 7 working days. When scrolling through the suitable accessories for your tool, you will notice a tag icon. Clicking on this will add the item to your watch list. You can also add to your watch list by pressing the products icon. Here you will find the full Festool catalogue conveniently broken down into product categories along with the full range of Festool merchandise. Once you have created your watch list, you can review it by selecting the watch list icon on the blue navigation bar. Easily share your list with a dealer by clicking Share with Dealer. Select the products you wish to share and click Continue. The app will then create a PDF you can send via email or text to a Festool dealer, ensuring they quote you on the exact items you need. What must be my favourite function of the app is the instant view of the charge state of your batteries. From the home screen, select Batteries on the menu bar to instantly see the charge state of batteries in range of the Bluetooth connection. There is nothing worse than after a hard day's work, returning home on a cold, dark, wet night and having to open the back of the van to check the charge in your batteries. Now I don't have to. I simply open the app from the warmth and comfort of my seat to check my batteries. Should batteries need charging, I can select the battery in the app and use the Identify Battery Pack function to make the battery's charge lights flash. As I keep all my batteries in the fantastic Energy Set sustainers, gone are the days of hunting through sustainers to check the battery levels. I simply open the Energy Sets, find the flashing batteries, and take that one sustainer inside to get everything charged, ready for the next day. To get all these fantastic features in the palm of your hand, download the Festool app now and make it one of your everyday essentials.